Hello learners, welcome back to our next video tutorial of Simplified Triple C. I am Akhil, your instructor for MS Excel. In this video, we will discuss about the text alignment, word wrap and cell merge option and number formatting. First of all, let's know what is alignment. Alignment or align is a term which is used to describe the text is placed in the cell in relation to the margin. What is margin? We will discuss it later in this video. And the second topic is word wrap option. By using word wrap option, we can adjust the text written in a cell according to their size, in which we change the we can change the size of cell and adjust the text according to their alignments. Okay, so the next topic will be cell merge. Here cell merge means we can merge more than one cell to a single cell. How we can do this, I will show you in this video. And the last option will be number formatting options. So let's start. Okay, I'm going to open for this a new Excel sheet. Okay, it's opening here, and this is the welcome screen. I'm just clicking on new work, and now you can see here for that let me zoom in some and make some changes. I'm just making a cell bigger. Now this is a cell C3, and I'm going to insert some data here. By default it is written here. We can change it by these options, which are called alignments. The first one is top alignment, this is the middle one, middle alignment, and this is the bottom alignment. Okay, by default the selection is bottom alignment, and the text will be written here. And this is the alignment left, and this is the center, and this is the right. If we click on this one, you can see this is the middle alignment. The text is written in the cell as middle. When we click on it, this is the top alignment. Okay, by clicking on this, we can align center align. We can make the text center aligned. Okay, by clicking on it, we can make it on right, and by clicking on it, we can make it on left. Okay, if we are just clicking on it and you are writing something more here, just Delhi is the capital of India. Sorry, yeah. Now you can see this is the right alignment. Okay, now I'm just clicking on it and changing the shape of. Okay, this text is already written in C. If we write something on D3, Kanpur is in Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Now you can see in this cell, the Delhi is the capital of India is overwritten by the next cell. If we apply here the wrap text option, you can see what will be happen. Now you can see here let me copy from here and just paste it here. Copy and paste. Okay, let's see what will be happen when we click on the wrap text. Just make a click. Now you can see the text is wrapped. Delhi is the capital of India. It is by already changed, and the text is in front of you. You can see by clicking on it we can make it into the cell. Yeah, here it is. Okay, this is the use of wrap text, and by using merge as center we can merge more than one cell into one cell. For example, let's see, I'm just making a cell, merging these cell. I'm just click here. Now you can see I'm just here typing here animals. Okay, and by making it merge center. Now I'm going to type here machine. Okay, now you can type here cow, dog, and cats. Okay, and you can type here bike, bulb, or cycle. Now you can see the use of merge center option. By clicking on by selecting a range, we can merge multiple cell into one cell. Let's see, I'm just selecting this range and make it merge and center. Okay, this is now a single cell. Okay, these are the option which we have covered. If you have any question related to this option, you can ask me in our comment box. So let's move to the next option, which is number formatting. In number formatting, we use generally, if we write here some numbers, you can see it is written as it is. Okay, if we want to make some changes according to number formatting, you can just make click here. This is the currency. You can make it you can insert here rupee symbol by just clicking on it, and you can see here this is now currency in rupees. By selecting here you can change into dollar, and okay, and you can insert more decimals by clicking here, and you can make it decrease from here. Okay, these are the some option. And by this option, which is a percent style, you can if you apply it here, you can if type here any number, you can see this will be happen. Okay, the percentage symbol will be written as same. Okay, these are the some option which is percentage accounting. We can use here various number formatting which are by just clicking here journal numbers, currency, accounting, short date, long date, and percentage. Let's see. First of all, let's see what is comma style. If we write here something, I'm just typing here this one, and if we write here by separating by with the comma, just click here, you can see the number is changed into comma numbers. Okay, by clicking here you can insert more decimals, or you can decrease too. Okay, now by just clicking here, you can see here number, currency, accounting, short date, long date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific, and text. Okay, by just clicking here you can validate any cell. According to that, you can insert data in our cells. Okay, these are the option which we have covered: text alignment, word wrap, cell merge, and number formatting. If you have any question about this topic, you can ask me in comment box. I will try to answer it. This is enough for this video. So see you in our next video tutorial. Hoping you are enjoying this video series. So do like, comment, and press the bell icon to never miss any update from Simplify Triple C. See you in our next video tutorial. Thank you.